Hello guys, my name is Vishal Badani. So welcome to my YouTube channels. We learned a Java full course. So in that last video, we learned what is the interface in Java. So today our topic is encapsulation in a Java. So this is a concept of last time. There is encapsulation. It is a very important for real time to use in real time and in the Java. Okay, so what is encapsulation? The encapsulation is a mechanism to wrapping the data members and the member methods of a class in a single unit. It's called a encapsulation. So encapsulation is doing to data members and the member methods to wrap in a single class and you create a single unit. So that's we call the encapsulation. So suppose we take a real time example of encapsulation. Suppose we create a student class. In that there is a some data members which actually the student name, student ID, student roll number, student age. This is actually data provided. Okay, okay, and second thing is member methods to provide behaviors like read, write. Okay, so this is data to student related behaviors, and the name, age, ID are the student related data. So okay, student related data and the student related behaviors are wrapping a single unit of a student class of a single class. That's we call the encapsulation. Okay, so the next is suppose in the Java, why we call the encapsulation? Because we single word is encapsulation in that. So the you all of you know in medicine the capsule. In that capsule there are two divided parts, and one side another medicine, another part is another medicine. So in that same, the capsule is a class, and the two divided parts, there is variable, and the next is a member methods. So the combined in a single unit, that's we call the encapsulation. That's we to create an encapsulation. Okay. Uh, so in encapsulation, also the best example is a class. So you know what is happen in the class. There is a single unit and wrapped all the data variables. Okay. So in encapsulation, there are two methods will be generated. Member methods will be generated. That is setter method and the getter method. Though the setter method is actually to doing the changes the values to suppose we take so changes values, and suppose we take two to changes values and to related the values actually in that getter to set the values. Okay, so doing the actually doing this is doing actually to setter method, and the getter method is doing to only the view the data. Okay, so if you can view the data, so then getter will help you to get to view the data. Okay, so in that encapsulation there is a two when we declare the variables, when we declare the methods. So when we declare the variables, so at that time which is we use mainly to access modifiers. That is for variable which is used for a private. So private actually doing the variables to hiding the data, variables and data hiding, and which is using only the within the class. Okay. So the for member methods, so member methods should declare the as a public. So the public access modifier which is used. So to public modifier actually to do not hide to show the for the users. Okay, so this access modifier which is used for variables and the methods. Okay, so in that setter or getter, the setter actually to validate to all these things, and getter to the view the data. Okay, so encapsulation is are some advantages which is very important. So the Java programming language actually, which is also the to to know the all of you for a security reasons. So Java is a very secure programming language. So when you create anything to secure reason is uh, must be available in that any application or the, so that time we use the Java. So in that encapsulation Java, in that encapsulation there is security is very important, because when we created a encapsulation that time, to setter and getter, which is to help the sequer, okay, to firstly validate and to input only the to know only the correct information input. So that time we are to actually to doing another process. So that's why we secured. And the next is the enhancements. So enhancement actually the without any affecting the person, to we can change the any values, any changes here to the back side, okay, without any the to without any to outside person to disturbing, okay. So this is actually also so in that encapsulation, in that encapsulation the mental ability is also the to improve for the when you create the application using encapsulations, okay. So this is all about the encapsulation in that Java, in Java. I hope all of you understand, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.